Alcohols and phenols. Chemical properties of alcohols and phenols. Characteristic tests for phenols. Phenols AROH reacts with the neutral efficiency solution to give deep blue color ferric phenoxide ARO 3 times Fe plus 3 HCl. Alcohol do not give deep purple color. Distinguished tests for alcohols. Lucas test. Alcohols are soluble in the Lucas reagent, but product RCl is not. Hence, solution becomes turbid when the product is formed. HCl in ZnCl2 is known as the Lucas reagent. Tertiary alcohol shows fast turbidity than secondary alcohols than the primary alcohols. Thus, you can distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Now reactions due to breaking of OH bond. Acidic character of alcohols and phenols. Alcohols when dissolved in water forms RO minus, that is alkoxide ion. Plus I effect of the alkyl group destabilize the alkoxide ion. As a result, alcohol does not ionize much in water and behave like neutral. In phenoxide ion, resonance stabilized by delocalization of the negative charge. Therefore, phenol ionizes in the water in the moderate event and shows weak acidic character. So by this, you can see stabilization of phenoxide ion. Esterification. When alcohols and phenols reacts with the carboxylic acid to form esters called esterification. First, esterification by using carboxylic acid. Alcohols or phenols when reacts with the carboxylic acid that forms esters. It's reversible reaction. For example, C2H5OH ethyl alcohol plus CH3COOH acetic acid gives CH3COO2H5, that is ethyl acetate. Similarly, C6H5OH phenols reacts with the acetic acid CH3COOH to form CH3COC6H5, that is a phenyl acetate. Esters can be formed by using acid anhydrides. Alcohols or phenols reacts with the acid anhydride to form the esters. For example, C2H5OH plus CH3CO 2 times O, which is acetic anhydride, that gives CH3COOC2H5, that is ethyl acetate, along with CH3COH, that is the acetic acid. C6H5OH, that is phenyl alcohol, reacts with the acetic anhydride CH3CO 2 times O, gives CH3COOC6H5 plus CH3COH, phenyl acetate and acetic acid. Esterification can also be done by using acid chloride. Alcohols or phenols reacts with the acid chloride RCOCl in the presence of the pyridine to give esters along with HCl formation. For example, C2H5OH plus CH3COCl, that is acetyl chloride, gives C2H5COOCH3, that is ethyl acetate. Similarly, phenol C6H5OH plus CH3COCl acetyl chloride gives CH3COOC6H5 plus HCl, that is a phenyl acetate. That is the esterification reaction. Acetyl derivatives. The acetate ester of alcohols and the phenols are called acetyl derivative of alcohols or phenols. Aspirin is a acetyl derivative of the salicylic acid formed by acetylation using acetic anhydride. Aspirin is well-known generic medicine used as an antibiotic drug as well as anti-blood clotting agent. See the reaction: salicylic acid, the benzene ring, COH and OH group is attached, plus acetic anhydride CH3CO 2 times O gives aspirin, that is the acetyl salicylic acid, plus CH3COOH. Now we will go for the next reaction, that is the oxidation of alcohols. Primary alcohols on oxidation gives aldehydes and secondary alcohols on oxidation gives ketones. But tertiary alcohol do not direct oxidation first, they undergoes the elimination, then oxidation gives the ketones having one carbon atom less than the starting alcohol. For example, primary alcohols are CH2OH. Oxidation in the presence of acidified KMnO4 or in the presence of acidified K2Cr2O7, that gives RCHO, that is the aldehyde, which further oxidation with the same reagent gives RCOOH, that is the carboxylic acid. We can use catalyst as PCC or PDC. Primary alcohols are CH2OH. In the presence of PCC or PDC gives RCHO, that is the aldehyde. When we use the catalyst PCC, that is the pyridinium chlorochromate, it gives only aldehyde. It further does not convert into the acetic acid or carboxylic acid. Then secondary alcohols are CHOH are on oxidation, that gives RCOR, means the ketones. So primary alcohols gives aldehydes and secondary alcohol that gives ketones. Next reaction is the heating with the copper. Primary alcohols on heating with the copper at 573 Kelvin undergo oxidation to form the aldehydes. Secondary alcohols, again heating with the copper at 573 Kelvin, undergoes the oxidation to form the ketones, and tertiary alcohols at 573 with the copper, instead of oxidation, undergoes the dehydration to form the alkenes. So this oxidation reaction can be used as a distinguishing test for the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Now we'll see some reactions of the phenols. Phenol, which is also known as the carbolic acid. First reaction, halogenation of the phenol. Phenol, when reacts with the bromine water, that gives 2,4,6 tribromophenol. Phenol can also react with the bromine in the presence of CHCl3 or CS2 or CCl4. In the presence of these, phenols gives orthobromophenol and parabromophenol. Parabromophenol is a major product. Next is the nitration of phenol. With dilute nitric acid, phenols gives orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol, and with a concentrated nitric acid that gives picric acid, that is 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Then sulfonation of the phenol, reaction with the sulfuric acid. Phenols with reaction with sulfuric acid H2SO4 at 293 Kelvin gives orthophenol sulfonic acid, and phenols reacts with H2SO4 at 373 Kelvin, that gives paraphenol sulfonic acid. Now we will see some other reactions of these phenols. First, that is a Riemer-Tiemann reaction. In this reaction, phenols are converted into the aldehyde group. Phenols reacts with the CHCl3 aqueous solution of NaOH that forms the intermediate. Then again it reacts with the NaOH. In that case, it forms one more product having the benzene ring to the benzene ring ONA group and to the ortho position aldehyde group CHO group, and hydrolysis of that gives salicylaldehyde, that is to the phenol ortho position CHO group is attached. That is nothing but the Riemer-Tiemann reaction. Kolb reaction. In the Kolb reaction, phenol with reaction with the NaOH converts into the phenoxide ion. This reacts with the CO2 at 398 Kelvin and under 6 atmospheric pressure to form the sodium salicylate. This sodium salicylate further hydrolyzed to give salicylic acid, that is prophenol ortho position COOH group is attached. Then next is the oxidation of the phenols. Phenols undergo the oxidation in the presence of CrO3 or Na2CrO3 in H2SO4. It gives parabenzoquinone, which is also known as a diketone. So, to the benzene ring at the para position C double bond group O group is present. Then catalytic hydrogenation of the phenol. Phenols adds with the 3H2 molecules in the presence of nickel at 433 Kelvin to give cyclohexanol. So it is reduction of double bond. And other one is a reduction of phenol. So phenol reacts with the zinc. It forms the benzene ring ZNO along with the ZNO. So it gives us the benzene formation with the zinc dust. So friends, these are the reactions of alcohols and phenols, chemical properties of alcohols and phenols.